Hello friends, in this video we will understand what is VS Code and how to install VS Code. So we are in Google's homepage and we will write VS Code over here and we will click on enter and we will see a lot of things in the output. We have to see for this code Visual Studio Code in the website code.visualstudio.com. So this is the main website for Visual Studio Code. This is basically an editor. I just clicked on that link and you can see here we are in the website of Visual Studio Code. The URL is code.visualstudio.com and if you can see I am in my Mac, so it automatically picks up that I have a Mac and it is giving the link for download for Mac OS. So if you are in Windows, you will probably see download for Windows. All right, and you can see the interface over here. This is the Visual Studio Code. So this shows how Visual Studio Code looks like, and this is basically a free editor where you can do the coding for your JavaScript or Angular or C++, multiple languages, and this is a free editor. So this will be freely available and you will find the extension for Python, GitHub, C++, and a lot more languages over there. You can see we do have a GitHub Copilot as well. So using this GitHub Copilot, you can write the code faster and smarter. All right, and then we do have code fully customized over here. We have lots of settings in the Visual Studio Code. So let us directly go to download the Visual Studio Code. So when you click on download for Mac OS, you will get the downloadable file, and once you after downloading, once you double click that downloadable file, you will just get the Visual Studio Code, something like this. Okay, so this is being installed in my MacBook, and if you can see we have a folder opened over here, and if you see we do have some settings. So after installing Visual Studio Code, you can go to settings and you can change the theme as well. So the theme that I used to pick is Monokai Pro, that you can install from this extension. So click on extensions and just search for Monokai Pro. So once you get it, you can install this theme, and that is what I like. You can also download the same theme and then you can open your folder and you can start working on your script. So this is all about Visual Studio Code, the best free editor on internet as of now, and many of my friends, colleagues and students use the same code editor. So I hope this video is clear to you. Let's meet up in the next video.